Bore da pawb, dwi Star Invader a croeso I fe'i sianel, ac I deith dwi darllen fi Rayman y ffilm comic. Nawr dwi wedi sgwyle y llyfr yma I gyd yn Gymraeg. Rwy'n meddwl mwyn fi yn y lleidfa Saesneg. Felly, bydd rhaid I mi gyfieithu rhain. A gall y gynulleidfa Gymraeg darllen. Nawr, bydd yn darllen yn llyfr. Forest dark, forest wet, grass turning very green, and strange creatures were planning a big event. Peculiar figures called the nymphs were planning something great. I'm sorry, we couldn't find the rest. It will do for now. With these 6 pieces, we can create a hero. It's working. I sense something. Something wrong. Something strange. Something from the forest. Nymphs. What are they up to? 9 years later. I wonder if there's fruit up in that tree. Ouch! My looks are beginning to return. Hello? Hello? Where have you been, Rayman? Playing around in the forest as usual. Have you ever thought of going on an adventure somewhere? Nah, I'm fine here. Besides, I've got everything I need. Look, I want you to have the best life you could ever have, but you seem to be going to the same place every day. Aren't you bored being around here? Nope, I'm good. Hey, kid. Oh, Murphy, what's up? I got an invitation for tonight. This is about the New Year party? This sounds great. Are you coming too? Well, yes. See you later. Is he coming? Yeah, don't worry. Smells like happiness. I'm glad you like it, Your Highness. Miss, we're all out of fruit. Don't worry, I'll sort it out. Let's see. Rayman, can you get some fruit from the forest, please? Aye, aye, Captain. It's nice to see you after all these years. Likewise. What's the matter? You look upset. It's Rayman. I worry that he's going to grow up and not see the great things this world has to offer. Not only is he in his late teens, but he still acts like a child. He doesn't know how to do chores, he can't clean his hair properly, and he still uses a teddy bear to go to sleep. Isn't the kid 9 years old? If I were you, I'd give him more time. You don't understand. Yes, he's 9 physically, but when he was first created, he was a preteen, so biologically he's 19. And he goes to the same place every day without doing anything new with his life. I understand. That's what worries me. Maybe she's right about all the things out there. Oh, hello, Mr. Fly. You look nice today. But you don't belong on my nose. Goodbye. Huh? That hit the spot. You scared me. Who are you? I'm Glowbox. You're a funny little fella. Where's your limbs? Oh, well, fascinating. The nymphs made a mistake on me. What are nymphs? They're the furries that made me. Ah, okay. Well, I'm going to find some fruit. Ah, you like fruit too? You can come with me. Here we begin. Let it begin. Yay! Just like this. Nawr, byddaf i dael yma. Hyd y bennoff nesaf. Hwyl dda, pawb.